back to my channel. This is Cozy and today I'm back again with another project. If you have already seen my part 1 video on the SST climate change project, thank you so much. And if you haven't, go check it out on my channel because that was super colorful, detailed and full of effort. Okay, so this time I was planning to make my Hindi project calmly. But guess what? My sister suddenly comes to me at night and says, "Please make my poster for school tomorrow." And I was like, no! She never does her own work, and honestly, her drawing skills are a disaster. She literally told me, "Didi, if you didn't help, my teacher will scold me." So obviously, I had to help her. Siblings, right? So before even starting my own project, I had to sit down, take off all my chart papers and pens and begin her poster. And you know what? I was also playing my songs in the background because honestly, sometimes when I get bored of writing or coloring, songs are the only thing that keep me alive during projects. And while I was working on that slogan paper, guess what? My hand slipped and touched the marker on the slogan itself, and it left a big wrong spot. I was like, oh no, ab kya hoga? But then I thought, let's be smart. So I turned that mistake into something beautiful. I just draw a cute little star. And finally I completed that. And then finally guys, I sat down to work on my own project. I recently got my marks from my previous project and guess what? I did really well. Like seriously, when I saw my marks, I was so happy and proud of myself. So with that motivation, I started my new project with full energy. I kept all my supplies ready, markers, glue, scissors, printouts, everything on my messy but cute table. And while setting up, I kept telling myself, okay, now this is focus time, no distractions. So guys, I want to tell you that my favorite part hai exploring Pinterest. Seriously, whenever I feel stuck or confused about what to make in my projects, Pinterest is like my magic place. I told about it in my earlier video too, and I'm telling about it in this video too. In this time, I tried something new and fun. Literally like a mini door that opens and reveals something inside. Isn't it that super creative? I thought, yes, let's try something different this time, not the usual cut and paste. So I decided to create this cute door structure on my poster. The intro of my project would be this. If you watched my earlier videos, you already know that I once made a pack of stickers in ghost style, and those stickers are still my favorite because they have this funny and aesthetic vibe. Like they're spooky but also cute at the same time. A perfect mix. So while I was working on this door structure, I thought, why not use them? And then I came up with another idea, a sticker gift box, like a little printed box sticker. And oh my gosh guys, can you believe the time? It's already 9:35 p.m. right now. This is technically my bedtime. Abhi to mujhe sona chahiye tha, but no. Here I am still with my project. I'm super tired. My eyes are begging for sleep. But I know one thing about myself. I can't leave my projects half done. I hate to submit them late or incomplete. Like, I'd rather stay awake and finish it properly than regret it tomorrow. I arranged all my project papers. The best feeling ever is when you stack them together and flip through. It feels like a little book you have created by yourself. And you know that I love bordering my pages. Borders just make the whole page look organized and classy. Without them, the page feels empty, but with them, it's like a frame around art. Even if my handwriting isn't perfect, the border makes the page look 10 times better. So I carefully draw borders on every single writing page. I used my favorite brush pens for shiny outlines, and sometimes I switched to simple black for a clear look. Variety makes it fun. After that, I started working on the writing section. I don't like writing section as much, but this is the body of my project. It's where I can add neatness like details. And there's one thing you should know about me. I love borders. By this time, I was yawning so much, but I still couldn't stop. The excitement of seeing the project complete was more powerful than my sleepiness. And you know what? That's the best part, kind of tiredness. When you are sleepy but also proud because you are creating something meaningful. By this time, I felt like I had written just one page. My brain was so tired, but I pushed myself and decided, okay, fine, at least I will complete 2 pages today. That's enough. So I flipped back my page and started writing again, slowly, neatly, and of course with borders. But then something was bothering me. I looked at my project and thought, today it looks very simple. बहुत plain लग रहा है. I didn't want to stop there, so I got an idea. Let's add a drawing. I picked up my pencil and started sketching the earth. But this wasn't just any earth. This earth had tears in its eyes. I wanted to show like have emotions, like the earth itself is crying and saying, "Oh, please save me." But I was super tired at this point. Like my hands were heavy, my eyes were closing, and then suddenly a bright idea popped in my mind. I thought, wait a minute, I still have my old class 6 project, and guess what? That project was also on the same topic. Can you imagine? So I took out my old dusty file, opened it, and oh my gosh, it looks so different. It was a little ugly. That little throwback actually made me feel less stressed because sometimes even our past work can help us today. And honestly, it was kind of fun seeing little me helping big me finish this project. So bye, meet you in my next video.